Hey, Shrek here. Today we're in downtown historic Riverfront in Paducah, Kentucky. We're gonna check out some sites, see what the heck they got around here. All right. Okay, so I'm in the Papa Gallery, and it's a collaboration of over 100 artists with all kinds of local artwork that they have. It is just amazing. I highly recommend you take a few minutes and just come check it out. So next up we got Doe's Eat Place. It's a popular local hangout here in Riverfront, and apparently they got really big steaks that sounds delicious. So we'll take a quick walk through there. So I'm at Off the Corner, and it's got a lot of handcrafted art, really cool, interesting stuff. Definitely worth your time to go check out. And also they have live music playing out in front every once in a while. It's hit or miss on that, but worth your time to go check out. So by this little pavilion here on 2nd Street and Broadway, they have bands that play on the evenings and the weekends, and also in this area they have art a la carte to check out with all kinds of different art stuff. And then also here they have carriage rides between April and November, so that way you can get a whole history of the Paducah area. It's got a very fascinating history for 10 bucks. Nice thing to do with the wife, nice thing to do on your own. Maybe the kids might enjoy it too, but definitely worth your time and money. So I'm at the Axe Bar, and unfortunately it's closed right now. It's recommended though by a police officer to me. Apparently you can go in there and throw axes while you drink. Might be fun, might be interesting, but definitely might be worth your time to go check out. So I'm on 2nd Street and Kentucky Avenue, nearby a restaurant that unfortunately is also closed called 1857. It was recommended to me by locals, but I want to show you real quick how beautiful this area looks. Not the sign, but here we go. You just get that nice old town feeling, and it's very clean, very safe looking. So I went and stopped at a quilt shop real quick, and I thought it looked amazing, and I talked to the owner about doing a video of it. He declined because unfortunately he's closing in the next couple of days. Apparently the pandemic got the better of his business, like other businesses do. And that's one thing why I like doing these videos, to help spread the knowledge of all these businesses that are struggling out there. And let's do some good for everybody and help out our communities across the entire country, not just our local ones. So I'm at the New Gold Rush, and it's a local favorite that people have recommended to me. It's been here for about 22 years. It's under new ownership now, and I'm here with Corey with a K. See if we can get Corey in there. Hello. There we go. So we're gonna take a quick tour and just show you what it's about there. Highly recommend the food, it's amazing. Okay, so I'm at the Silent Brigade. They got a huge selection of homemade alcoholic beverages. Looks really cool. Usually before pandemic, and as soon as things are finished up with that, they'll have a band 3 times a week. Good spot to hang out, and I just want to show you all this. All right, just make sure when you guys leave this place, you got a safe ride home, because that stuff could sneak up on you. How many times do you get to see a real still like that? So I'm at the Rock Shop, and this is just a super cool place. I didn't plan on stopping here at all, but it just caught my eye, so definitely worth checking out here in Paducah, Kentucky. Give you a quick view of the place. And we're going to do a quick interview with the owner of the place, Susan.
Hi, I'm Susan at the Rock Shop, and I'm so glad that you wanted to stop by. We hope that we are one of your destinations when you get to downtown Paducah, which is a great spot to visit anyway. But the Rock Shop, well, we're real different than most every other place in town. We are your one-stop for all your metaphysical needs. We've got the largest fairy garden in the region. The fairies say hi. Come and visit us. We have a huge selection of really wonderful crystals and metaphysical items. We have a big book section. We have all kinds of positive enforcement to make sure that you have a life that really enhances your wellness and your emotional being. We do hope you stop by. This is Susan at the Rock Shop, where positive energy works.
Thanks, Susan. I really appreciate that. A very popular hangout that's been recommended by a lot of other business owners and people across Paducah is Nos Barbecue. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but it smells amazing in here. I'm a sucker for good barbecue, so why don't you come down to Nos and check it out. Just a tidbit I found out about Nos Barbecue. Just about everybody working in there, their last name is Nos, which I think that is cool. I love being able to support businesses like that, and they all were extremely friendly. Hey, I'm here at Range America. It's a bit across town from where we were at last, but this place, they rent weapons for a very inexpensive cost. You can go out and have a little bit of fun. They have a very huge range. It is good for anything up to 50 caliber. And just sitting here, I think I know weapons pretty good, but just sitting around jaw-jacking with everybody, a woman named Nicole that works here taught me more about weapons than I've heard in a very long time. So definitely a very knowledgeable source. And just to let you know, for the kind of fun things they do, on Thursday, they have ladies' night. And then on Friday, they have date night. And then for fun events, they even have a event where they're going to be shooting bowling pins. If I can get some time to come check this out, I would love to, but it probably won't be posted on there for obvious reasons. But if you are in Paducah, definitely you want to try something a little different, go check out Range America and have a good time with that one.